Hello guys, welcome back to Mom's Medicine. In today's video, I'm doing a 2-for-1 special. Both of them are drinks. The first one is a detox, and the second one is a natural cough syrup. Okay, we will begin with the detox first. This detox is good for cleaning the liver, kidney, and lungs. It contains many essential minerals like calcium, magnesium, and potassium. I learned this remedy from my mother over 20 years ago. She used to be a smoker and used it for better lung health. You're going to need 1 cup of watercress, half a pitcher cup of milk, and 1 tablespoon of honey. Put your watercress and milk into a saucepan and let it boil for 15 minutes. Once cooled, strain it. Try not to spill any of your milk like me, and add your honey. Once you're finished, refrigerate it. And now for the cough syrup. If you have a bad cough or the flu, this will help. This syrup contains plenty of antioxidants, antibacterials, and vitamins, like vitamin A, C, and K. You'll need 1 cup of watercress, 1 onion, 1 lime, 2 tablespoons of honey, 1 clove of garlic, ginger, and a mint. Combine all of the ingredients, save for the honey and mint. Blend the ingredients and then strain. Don't waste any. Be sure to press out the remaining juices. Then add your mint and add your honey to your liking. If you're feeling under the weather, I recommend you use the syrup twice per day. One more thing, be sure to refrigerate. Refrigeration will be a common theme on my channel. Natural ingredients spoil quickly if not refrigerated. Okay, guys, that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Bye.